Hi, I'm Belle from Gardening Express, and today I'm going to talk you through how to put together one of our raised beds. So we sell raised garden beds in 3 different shapes and a range of colours and sizes. This one in particular is the large rectangular one in cream. Okay, let's get started. Let's open up this box and see what it looks like. Remember, once you finish cutting your box, put your blade away to avoid any accidents. So as you can see, I'm just opening up this little toolbox that it comes with. Inside you've got a couple of tools and some nuts and bolts. All of these we'll use to put it together. And the actual little box itself is also really useful and can be reused for other little trinkets and things. So to help get you started, I personally recommend laying out all of the pieces roughly where they'll go. This will just help you line everything up as you go along. So I recommend starting with a corner so that your first few pieces can kind of hold themselves up. It will make it a bit easier for you. So here I've just attached the first corner piece to the first side piece with some nuts and bolts down here, and I'll just show you how I've done this with this second piece. So once you've put the whole frame together, remember for the 2 middle sections, leave the middle 2 holes empty. We're going to use these to connect these rods together for some more stability. So there we have our fully built raised bed. Like I said before, this one is in cream, which is my personal favourite colour of the raised beds that we have. And if you want to tune in next week, you might be able to catch us filling this whole thing up with plants. Thank you guys for watching and enjoy your garden.